In this example, we're given two different sets of ordered pairs. The first one, part A, the ordered pairs are all the points that live on the sideways parabola. You see the arrows indicating that the parabola opens infinitely on the right side? Well, there are infinitely many ordered pair points on this curve. So it's really difficult to list them as sets of ordered pairs. It's better to represent these ordered pairs as a picture. The same thing with part B. Here we have no arrows. We have a beginning on the left and an ending on the right of this swath. But the deal is that there are infinitely many ordered pair points squeezed in between those two endpoints on that curve. All right, so the question is, find are these functions? They're asking, do these represent y as a function of x? Now, the best thing to do when you're given a graph, a picture of ordered pairs, and a function for a possible function, the best way to check to see if the y's are a function of x is to ask yourself, is it possible that there is any vertical line that crosses this graph in more than one place? For if there is a vertical line that crosses the graph in more than one place, that indicates that we have an unfaithful x, and thus the relation is not a function. Okay, so let's answer the question. SLU, part A. The answer is no. No, this is not a function. And the reason part A is not a function is because it fails the vertical line test. So if you just look at the picture, the graph for part A, you can imagine quite a few number of vertical lines superimposed over that picture that would be crossing that graph on the top and on the bottom, okay, in more than one place, in other words. That's why it fails the vertical line test, thus it is not a function. But look at part B. The answer to part B is yes. It is y represented as a function of x, and the reason why? Because it passes the vertical line test. You could look at that picture all day, and you could not come up with one vertical line that crosses that graph in more than one place. Now, if it was a horizontal line, yeah, we could do that, but we're only doing the vertical line test, up and down. There is no vertical line that would cross that graph in more than one place. Therefore, it is a function. Yes.